pussy.
Hey everyone, welcome to Artist World TV. As always, Michael here. But before I go into a video, I want to apologize for those of you who waited for those videos for like 5 months. I'm so sorry about that. Just been super busy with new job, super busy with life, so much stuff going on. I moved to a new house, still in Jersey though, guys. I'm still in Jersey, didn't move anywhere too far. But yeah. So for today's videos, I want to take you to this beautiful mountain, literally 5 minutes away from my house, which is like perfect. You can shoot a lot of good videos up there, and I would suggest for you guys to go if you're near Jersey or in Jersey. So we're gonna take this beautiful new car. I don't know, I posted a lot of pictures on Instagram, but nothing on YouTube about it. Future video, by the way, future video about my new house, about my new car, and a three-wheeler right here that I actually purchased from my friend for super cheap. It's not working, but we're gonna restore it. Make a nice video about that too. So let's not waste more time. Let's go straight into it. Hopefully you're gonna like it.
Do you feel it? Do you feel it in the air? Do you feel it? Do you feel it? I can feel it in the air.
Alright guys, so we are approaching this reserve. It's called Garrett Mountain.
Do you feel the buzz or is it just me? Trust me, something in the air just above me. Something like a dream state, you call it a clean break. Do you feel the buzz, baby? Do you feel the buzz?
Alright guys, so as I promised, we made it to the best spot of the mountain. This is like the bird's eye view.
Do you feel it? Do you feel it in the air? Is it just me? Do you feel it? I can feel it in the air. Is it just me? Is it just me?
I love this place. I spend here all the time. There's a lot of things you can do here. You can play soccer, you can play basketball. There's a basketball court up there. Anything you really want, grill. Everything here is like set up. The place closes though at like 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock. So you can't stay up late, enjoy the lights, the views at night. But still, it's a good spot.
Do you feel it? I can feel it in the air. Is it just me? Is it just me?
Do you feel the buzz or is it just me? Trust me, something in the air just above me. Something like a dream state, I can't even see straight. Do you feel the buzz, baby? Do you feel the buzz?
So as you guys saw, the crow's nest is, pretty cool spot to launch a drone from. This is exactly why I want a drone, so you'll be able to like see all of the beauty that surrounds this place. But some other day when I get it, then the reason for making another video, right? Alright guys, we made it to this other place at Garrett Mountain. So let's go look at this little pond, which you should not be swimming in, by the way. This is like bathrooms, bunch of geese, and the pond, the famous pond. Let's go check it out a little bit closer. Stay away for these guys, because these guys, they bite. So here we made it to the pond, like I said. Beautiful, more like a lake, not a pond. Sorry. But yeah, perfect place to, you know, come with family or friends, spend time here, check out. There's a bunch of trails, you know, so you can literally spend a whole day here if you want to, and just enjoy the nature, everything that this place has to offer. But yeah guys, that's all I have for you. If you like the video, you know what you gotta do. You gotta leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'm sure there's gonna be more. Like I told you, there's gonna be a bunch of things that I'm really thinking about, which I'm probably gonna shoot fairly soon. And I'm gonna get a drone. That's like a different thing, so we can capture this a little bit better. Right guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.